Boys, I'm just going to talk to you about a place value game that you can play on your own on your computer. It's at this website. It's a Salamander website, but I'll write it down for you. So we're going to go in and just practice our place value. The one that's underlined, I want you to tell me whether it's 9 ones, 9 tens, or 9 hundreds. So we look there and we think, there's the ones, there's the tens, there's the hundreds. That 9 must be 900. So we go 900. Enter, and we see we got it right. Excuse me. So now we look at 488. The 8 that's got a line under it, is that 8 ones, is it 8 tens, or is it 4 hundreds? So we look and we think it's in the ones column, so we think it's just 8. Now 223, that 2 that's got a line under it, we know it's in the tens column, so it's not 2 ones, it actually means 2 tens. So 2 tens, what's the short way, the standard way to write 2 tens? 20. Push enter. 43, now the 3 is the one that's got the line. Does that mean 3 ones or 3 tens? If you said 3 ones, you are correct. 3 ones, click 3, enter. 6, it's not ones anymore, it's in the tens column. 6 tens, how do we write 6 tens? 60. Okay, so that's basically how that one goes.